tired of mopping, vacuuming, and still dealing with dirty corners? What if we told you there's a vacuum cleaner that does it all? Wet, dry, edge to edge, and for a better price than your usual pick. In this video, we're comparing Dreame's G10 Pro and G10 Combo, two of the strongest entry-level wet and dry vacuum options against Tineco iFloor 5 and S5 Combo. We'll explore how much value you can actually get without breaking the bank. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. In the box, you get the vacuum unit, charging dock, detachable roller brush, cleaning tools, user manual, and HEPA filters. Clean design, no clutter. The G series is Dreame's strongest entry-level, all-in-one cleaner, designed specifically for the US market. Effective wet and dry mess cleaning in a single step. One-press self-cleaning with real water flow. Cordless, lightweight design. 4 modes. Standard, turbo, quiet, suction, dual edge cleaning for G10 Pro. Plus, every model comes with 24/7 customer support and a 2-year warranty. Not bad for a budget-friendly powerhouse. Let's start with our first face-off, Dreame G10 Pro versus Tineco iFloor 5. Here's the breakdown of key specs and why Dreame clearly leads this battle. Tineco iFloor 5 took 3 passes to fully remove the stickiness. You could hear the brush struggle slightly due to the lower suction, 6,000 pascals. Dreame G10 Pro needed just 1.5 passes in turbo mode. The 16,000 pascal suction visibly pulled the residue on first pass, leaving the tile streak-free. iFloor 5 cleaned only on one side due to its single-edge brush design. We had to reposition the vacuum to reach corners. G10 Pro, with its dual-edge roller, picked up debris efficiently along both sides in one go. No awkward maneuvering needed. iFloor 5, some debris remained at the back of the roller, requiring a follow-up pass. G10 Pro, the suction and brush combo swept all the dry mess into the tank in one pass. Hair wrap was minimal due to its bi-directional roller design. Both models have one-button self-cleaning, but G10 Pro spins the brush in both directions, thoroughly rinsing the entire roller. iFloor 5 spins in one direction only, which left some residue on the brush, especially after sticky messes. Modes. G10 Pro has 4 modes: turbo, standard, quiet, and suction only, while iFloor gives you just 2. That means G10 Pro adapts better to floor types and noise levels. Weight and handling. Both are lightweight, but G10 Pro felt smoother during turns, thanks to better roller pressure balance. Runtime. Both last 35 minutes, but G10 Pro's smarter power modes help extend usable runtime in light mess situations. The biggest advantage of the Dreame G10 Pro is its superior suction power, 16,000 pascals versus 6,000 pascals on the Tineco. This makes it ideal for stubborn stains, pet hair, and wet, dry messes. And with dual-sided edge cleaning, the G10 Pro ensures you clean right up to the corners, something the iFloor 5 lacks with its single-edge design. Plus, Dreame gives you 4 cleaning modes: standard, quiet, turbo, and suction, while Tineco limits you to just 2 modes. Now, let's move to the big boys. Dreame G10 Combo versus Tineco S5 Combo. This category is all about versatility and all-in-one performance. Tineco S5 Combo picked up the milk with some effort, but left a wet streak behind. Dry cereal clumped under the roller and needed a second pass. G10 Combo tackled both wet and dry in one clean, smooth motion. The brush lifted cereal bits easily, while suction handled the milk. With G10 Combo's 900 milliliter clean water tank, we cleaned a full kitchen and hallway without interruption. Dirty tank capacity also made a difference. 700 milliliter on Dreame versus 450 milliliters on Tineco meant fewer empty trips mid-clean. Tineco S5 combo struggled on carpet because it's not really built for that. G10 combo comes with a detachable real vacuum motor and brush head. Snap it on, and you've got a powerful stick vacuum that handled pet hair and debris on a rug with ease. You'll hear the motor ramp up automatically over heavier stains. Tineco's S5 combo, no smart adjustments. Just one speed and you control everything manually. Both have LED displays, battery indicators, and similar run times. We're comparing Dreame's G10 Pro. Just one speed. The G10 combo switches roles between floor cleaner and upright vacuum in seconds, making it ideal for multi-surface homes. The Dreame G10 combo really outclasses the Tineco S5 combo in several key areas. First up, water tank capacity. Dreame gives you almost double the clean and dirty water tank size, so less frequent refills and longer cleaning sessions. Secondly, Dreame features a detachable motor, turning this into a 2-in-1 vacuum, perfect for floors and carpets. Tineco doesn't offer that flexibility. On top of that, Dreame packs smart dirt detection, meaning it auto-adjusts cleaning power based on floor conditions. Another feature missing in the S5 combo. And lastly, Dreame beats Tineco again in the price segment. We ran both G-Series vacuums through 5 tests. Here's how they did. Test type, G-Series result. Wet dry cleaning. Cleaned coffee plus milk in one pass, 16 kilopascals. Corner cleaning, edge following, dual single design worked. Sticky stains. Turbo mode removed jam and crumbs easily. Carpet cleaning. Switch to turbo handheld for success. Self-cleaning. One press. Dual brush with water. So, here's our final verdict. G10 Pro versus iFloor 5, go with G10 Pro. More power, dual edge cleaning, and better value. G10 Combo versus S5 Combo, G10 Combo wins. More versatility, smart features, and a lower price. If you're after reliable, powerful, and easy to maintain vacuums, the Dreame G-Series is a no-brainer. So if you want powerful suction, larger tank capacity, real vacuum versatility, and smart features, Dreame G10 Pro and G10 Combo clearly dominate their respective categories over Tineco's iFloor 5 and S5 combo. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.